guys, thanks for joining us again. Today we're gonna go take a look at a really fancy garden center and walk around and see what they got.
And see what we can afford.
see what we can afford. But yeah, come along and join us.
We're also going to go for a walk and show you how the snow is falling.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow.
Yeah, so enjoy. Oh, it's a video. Christmas trees, shopping. This is beautiful. Holy Jesus Christ. 1,400 for a tree. Well, let's keep looking. Look at that. Come here. Come here. They're so cute, huh?
Yeah.
The white one? Oh.
The white one's cool.
Yeah. Hi. That's a tiny tree for that amount. And this one? How is that more expensive than this one? That's taller than this one. But this is more expensive than the taller one.
I think it's these leaves.
Because that's double the price.
Look at these leaves. Look way more realistic.
Oh, that makes sense.
Still pretty expensive.
Yep, for our Christmas trees. Oh, this is it. This is the one, baby.
That's the one.
That's the one.
What is it?
I don't see the price. Where is the price?
180.
118.
100
118
bucks.
for this tiny one. What is the price tag? 118 for this tiny one. Wow. That's what's on this side? I think there's more on this side. Oh, this side is cold. Oh, those are real trees now.
Is that real bird sound?
It sounds like it. These are real trees, if I'm not wrong.
That's 50% off.
Yeah, they are also.
Creepy elf. 50% off.
I think everything is 50% off here, if I'm not wrong. They're not real trees either.
No. Real trees are cheaper. Because they fall apart in a month.
We should just go cut a tree.
I was thinking that. I have an axe.
You do?
Yeah.
Where is it? I haven't seen it.
It's in the truck.
Oh. Where are those birds?
Look. A month's salary.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Joke. Jokes on you guys. Why is that upside down?
I don't know. If you wanted it upside down.
If you want a number at a tree. Anywho. This is now triple the price. Oh, and more plants actually. It's not just Christmas stuff. This is so beautiful. I feel like Santa should just come out of here, somewhere here.
Yeah.
Like he's hiding somewhere here. Santa, where are you hiding? He is right here. I found him. Oh, look at that one. I love that one.
Yeah.
Found you. I found you. Where's my gift? Am I on the good list or the naughty list?
You're definitely on the naughty list.
Baby, what did I do to be on the naughty list?
Should we get nutcrackers?
I've been good all year. No, no nutcrackers. How about the cookie?
The giant gingerbread man.
Is it a, yeah, gingerbread?
And a Grinch.
Yeah, Grinch. If we get a tree, baby, we are going to get the Grinch. Oh, $30 for one? No, thank you. Sorry.
Baby shark, doo, 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 doo.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark.
Bluey. I've heard good
Pony.
things about this kid's show.
Wait, pony, pony, do 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 do. Pony, pony. Which
That's
one?
not the theme song. This show called Bluey. I don't remember which studio did it, but it was one of the studios here in Ontario.
Oh. Here in Ontario?
Oh,
we are not in Ontario.
Not yet. Legally, I am.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Like, I love this.
Look at this guy. This tree needs strips of bacon. Look at all the pigs on it.
Oh.
That's cool. I bet they have a lot of fun setting this up.
I would. Now the magic table.
Wow.
How beautiful is that? Joy to the world. You're not gonna sing a Christmas carol?
So, it's not December yet.
Well, it's December for me. December for me starts in
Whenever the snow comes down.
whenever the snow comes down. Okay, so what are these plants? Which one? I don't know why I don't like those plants.
You don't like them?
If there was something that I... Huh?
We got a cactus.
Do you want one?
Yeah, cool. Though.
Yeah, like these ones. I hear you want to give them water once a week
Yeah.
or once a month.
Like barely any.
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh, let's get aloe vera. That's the only thing I will get from here.
Yeah, that would be nice to have. It's good for cuts and burns and stuff.
And acne.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And your hair too. Oh, they have this. They have air plants here. Look. Yeah, these are the air plants. Ah, how much are they? $15 for one? Are you serious?
Apple air plants.
These people are not serious.
Why, what are they? Like, what do they do?
Air plants?
Yeah.
Like they grow. Like remember that one pot that I brought home
Yeah.
with rocks and an air plant on top?
Oh, yeah.
So they don't need soil to grow. Like these ones are still growing.
You can get the little tiny one.
How much is that?
$9.
How much is this tiny one here?
$9.
No, can you drop that tiny one?
Well, $9.
Even that tiny one?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
What about $9? It's under $5.99.
But they're so beautiful though. Like when they grow,
Yeah.
they are beautiful. They look really nice. Look at these ones.
It's weird that they're just growing from nothing. Like, what do they use for nutrients? Do they still need water?
Air.
Just air?
They need water once
Yeah.
a week
Yeah.
for 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Those are sick.
Oh, I love that. Let me see this one first. Hi. Oh. Boy, look.
Oh,
They're so cute though.
that's dope though.
It looks like the one we have at home.
I think it is the same kind of plant. They grow it in a way that they
Pack the
bend
leaves.
them as they grow, so then they create that shape.
Oh, these ones, we have them at home. Like that's what we use as fence.
Oh.
I know, and here, let's see how much they're selling them for. Holy God. $2.40.
Imagine if your fence cost
$2.34?
$70 a piece for your sticks in your fence.
Oh my word. What happened? Uh-oh.
It's beginning to look a lot like
Christmas.
everywhere you go. And I really don't know the words. I really don't. Sing like birds.
Sing like birds. So that is how it's looking, guys. It's minus 16, is it?
Yeah,
16.
but it feels like minus 24.
It feels like minus 24. It's been snowing all day today, and I think it continues to tomorrow.
It's a little chilly.
We look like farmers.
They look like snow people. True Canadians. Ooh, look at those prices.
Prices for
$4,000 a month. Mind you, it probably includes like food and stuff. Like the senior something. Hey, snowman.
Hi. Just gonna go wait for the bus. Watch out, there's a car coming.
Alright, let's get warm like the hobos do.
Look at what somebody drew. They were like, I was here.
That wasn't here?
No, I was here. I'm gonna draw on here.
Look at that smiley guy. Look at these happy
Be
faces.
happy, even when it's cold. Be happy, even when it's freezing. Be happy when you're waiting for the bus, and when you get home, go take a cup of hot chocolate. Be happy, even when you're cold. Be happy, even when you're homeless. Be happy. that you are alive. Be happy. It's so cold.
Yeah, it makes you glad to have a place that's warm.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty nice. It's crazy that people lived here before heat. You know, a bunch of crazy log houses. Well,
Hi.
hi. Shall
Hi.
we go?
Huh?
Shall we go?
Yeah, let's go.
Before we die. Your boots are better than mine.
My foot got stuck.
Everybody, it's freezing.
That's
Bye.
That's it, guys. We're not gonna go far.
Have a good day.
Okay.
That was good.
I cannot feel my lips. I cannot feel my fingers. My brain is glitching. And how are you doing?
I can barely see because my glasses are fogging up.
Your glasses are foggy. Yeah, guys.
Hey guys, we're finished with our tour. This is what we could afford. Nice little plant warmer, plant waterer, I mean. It's, yeah, you know, we're big spenders.
Cheap thing.
Big spenders over here. Bye now.